Good morning, we're on the record. As chairperson of the Alcohol Beverage and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, in accordance with DC Code Section 2-571 at C of the Open Meetings Act, OMA, I'm welcoming you to the regular scheduled meeting of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board. This meeting has been conducted pursuant to guidance made available by the District of Columbia's Office of Open Government regarding electronic meetings held by public bodies. Electronic meetings by the ABC Board are authorized pursuant to Section 2-577A of the DC Code. Pursuant to the OMA requirements, notice of today's meeting was provided 48 hours in advance of the meeting on ABCA's website and on the District Central meeting calendar. The notice includes the time, date, agenda, and the call-in or login information for public participation. This electronic meeting is being hosted by a WebEx account provided by the District of Columbia government. Please address any questions or complaints to the OOG at opengovoffice@dc.gov. My name is Donovan Anderson. I'm chairperson of the board. I would like to introduce other members of the ABC board who are also participating electronically. Please respond when I announce your names. Mr. Silas Grant,
Mr. Silas Grant, present.
Mr. David Meadows,
Good morning. Happy holidays. David Meadows, present.
Mr. Ryan Jones.
Mr. Ryan Jones, present.
The board has 4 members in attendance for the conduct of business today, and that constitutes a quorum. So I'm going to just go straight to the calendar today. On our calendar, the first case on our calendar, there's case number 25 ULC 00075. This is a Best Shop, an unlicensed cannabis retailer. This matter is canceled based on an offer in compromise has been provided to the board for its review and consideration. And that is our calendar for the day. So now that we have, we're at the end of our calendar for the day, let us do our legal agenda. So the first agenda we're going to do this morning is our legal agenda, medical cannabis. The first matter on our legal agenda, medical cannabis, is a review of an offer in compromise. This is in case number 25 ULC 00070 U Grow Girl. This is an unlicensed cannabis establishment. And the offer in compromise is as follows. Products not to be offered, exchanged, or sold. Respondent confirms that it has ceased selling cannabis or cannabis products and agrees not offer, exchange, or sell either in the store or online the following products: cannabis or cannabis-derived products, including oil cannabinoids, hemp, CBD, tetrahydrocannabinolic acid, THC-A, and THC without a license, creatinine, and 3, any Schedule I substances, including psychedelic mushrooms and dimethylamine, DMT. Number 2, operation at the premises. Respondent will not operate as a business at the premises 1410 22nd Street Southeast, Washington, D.C. 20020, and shall only use the premises as a residence. Number 3, fine. Respondent agrees to pay a $3,000 fine for this violation. Number 4, inspection. Respondent agrees to allow ABCA investigators to inspect the entire premises between the hours of 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. to verify that the respondent is not selling products listed in paragraph 1. Number 5, violation of DC Code Section 7-1671.08G. A subsequent violation of DC Code Section 7-1671.08G shall be grounds for the board to issue a subsequent notice of summary closure and a fine of $20,000 as outlined in DC Code Section 7-1671.08F. Number 6, lifting of summary closure. Upon submission of proof of payment of the fine in paragraph 3, the summary closure shall be lifted. Number 7, return of keys. Once the summary closure is listed, ABCA shall make the keys to the premises available to respondent for pickup at its offices or at another mutually agreed upon time, date, and location. That is the offer in compromise. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 2, review of an offer in compromise. This is in case number 25 ULC 00081. It's Minnesota Avenue Exxon. This is an unlicensed establishment. Excuse me. The offer in compromise is as follows. Products not to be offered, exchanged, or sold. Respondent confirms that it has ceased selling cannabis or cannabis products and agrees to not offer, exchange, or sell either in the store or online the following products. Number 1, cannabis or cannabis-derived products, including all cannabinoids, hemp, CBD, tetrahydrocannabinolic acid, THC-A, and THC without a license. 2, kratom, and 3, any Schedule I substance, including psychedelic mushrooms and dimethylamine, DMT. 2, inspection. Respondent agrees to allow ABCA investigators to inspect the entire premises of the business during those hours that it is open to the public to verify that the business is not selling products listed in paragraph 1. Excuse me. Number 3, violation of DC Code Section 7-1671.08G. A subsequent violation of DC Code Section 7-1671.08G shall be grounds for the board to issue a subsequent notice of summary closure and a fine of $10,000 as outlined in DC Code Section 7-1671.08F. Number 4, lifting of summary closure suspension. The summary closure shall be lifted once the board approves the OIC. Number 5, return of keys. ABCA shall make the keys to the premises available to respondent for pickup at its offices or at another mutually agreed upon time, date, and location upon approval of the offer in compromise. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 3 on the agenda, it's case number 25 ULC 00080. It is Grass and Company. This is again an unlicensed establishment. The offer in compromise for this case is as follows. Cessation of illegal sales. Respondent admits that it has ceased all unlicensed cannabis sales on the premises and online. Number 2, fine. Prior to reopening, respondent shall pay a fine of $5,000. 3, remediation. To remediate the sale of cannabis and cannabis products that occurred at a business, respondent will change the name of the business from Grass and Company to Be More Tobacco and Convenient. And any signs that contain the word grass or the phrase smoke shop or any language in the name indicative of cannabis sales must be removed, updated, or replaced. Before lifting the summary closure, respondent shall provide documentation to the board that it has changed its name with the Department of Licensing and Consumer Protection, DLCP. Number 4, change of operations. Respondent will change its business model to not sell cannabis or cannabis products or other illegal products, including flavored tobacco, at the premises, online, or at any other location in the District of Columbia without a valid medical cannabis retail license. Number 5, removal of products. Respondent shall remove and destroy any remaining embargoed product from the initial warning or the closure. Number 6, inspection. Respondent agrees to allow ABCA investigators to inspect the entire premises of the building during those hours that it is open to the public to verify that the business is complying with the requirements listed in paragraph 1 through 5. Number 7, lifting of the summary closure. The current summary closure shall remain in effect until respondent files a notice and the board approves that the requirements of paragraph 2 through 5 have been satisfied. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 4 is another offer in compromise. This is in case number 25 ULC 00075 Best Shop. This is again another unlicensed establishment. The offer in compromise for this case is as follows. Number 1, products not to be offered, exchanged, or sold. Respondent confirms that it has ceased selling cannabis or cannabis products. Respondent and all beneficial owners, heirs, and assignees agree to not sell the following at the premises, online, or at any other location in the District of Columbia. Number 1, flavored tobacco. Number 2, cannabis and cannabis products, including all cannabinoids, hemp, CBD, tetrahydrocannabinolic acid, THC-A, and THC without a medical cannabis retail license. Number 3, kratom, and 4, any Schedule I substances, including psychedelic mushroom and DMT. Number 2, remediation. To remediate the sale of cannabis and cannabis products that occurred at the business, respondent will change its business model and operate as a convenience store with a tobacco license and prepackaged foods. Number 3, inspection. Respondent agrees to allow ABCA investigators to inspect the entire premises of the business during those hours that it is open to the public to verify that the business is not selling those products listed in paragraph 1. Number 4, future violation. This summary closure constitutes a first violation of DC Code Section 7-1671.08F, such if respondent has not filed an accepted and pending application with the ABC Board and knowingly engages or attempts to engage in the purchase, sale, exchange, delivery, or at any form of commercial transaction, including cannabis in the future, the ABC Board may impose a $20,000 fine under DC Code Section 7-1671.08F2. Number 5, respondent shall pay a $3,000 fine. Number 6, lifting of the summary closure. The summary closure shall remain in effect until the board is satisfied that the requirements of paragraph 1 and 2 have been fulfilled and the fine is, as stated in paragraph 5, has been paid. Respondent shall file a motion to lift the summary suspension showing to satisfy the terms of paragraph 1 and 2. Hold on. I just want to make sure that I've captured all the terms of it I see for this best shot. Yes, those are all the terms. 6 terms. Yes, so I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. So let us now do our licensing agendas. So the first agenda we'll do is the alcohol licensing agenda. On this agenda, there are 2 applications. I'll review the names of the 2 applications and I'll make a recommendation. Then I'll ask the ABC board to vote to affirm the recommendation that's put forth by the chair. Number 1, review request for a temporary operator retail permit. This is for Violet 9th Street LLC, license number 134812. Recommendation approval. Number 2, review application for stipulated license with letter of ANC support for an entertainment endorsement application. This is for Aqua Bistecca, BISTECCA, license number 132936. Recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendation put forth by the chair for the alcohol licensing agenda. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. We now move to the notice of meeting alcohol vacate cease and desist orders agenda. The ABC board is vacating the following orders to cease and desist previously issued December 17th, 2025. Number 1, Rush license number 134289. The licensee paid the fee on December 19th, 2025. So I therefore make a motion that ABC board vote to vacate the cease and desist order for this establishment. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. So let's now do the board's temporary licensing one-day substantial change docket. On this docket, there are 9 applications on this docket. I will review all the recommendations. I'll review all the applications, and then I will provide a recommendation, and then I'll ask that a motion be made and second to approve the recommendation that's put forth by the chair. So number 1 is a request from Patrick D. Batista. This is for one-day license class G. It's a private party. This is January 24th. The license number is 134794. 200 attendees, 4 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 2, another request from Patrick D. Batista, a one-day license class G for private party. This is January 10th. The license number is 134793. 200 attendees, 4 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 3, a request from Diamond Watson, a one-day license class G, a private party. This is December 31st. The license number is 134814. 300 attendees, 6 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 4, request from Amanda Tyndall, a one-day license class G for a wedding. This is January 3rd. The license number is 134810. 215 attendees, 5 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 5, a request from Nebayu Hale, NEBIYOU for one-day license class G holiday party. This is December 31st through January 3rd for 3 days. License number is 134809. 200 attendees, 6 security guard. Recommendation approval. Number 6, request from Jonathan Rube, a one-day license class G New Year's Eve party. This is December 31st. The license number is 1348235. 500 attendees, 8 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 7, AMC Theater Georgetown 14, one-day substantial change, movie release. Nature of substantial change, requesting to extend hours of operation on December 25th until 2 a.m. The license number is 09930. Substantial change license is 25 SC 01348. Recommendation approval. Number 8, another request from AMC Theaters Georgetown 14, one-day substantial change. Movie release, nature of substantial change, requesting to extend hours of operation on January 1st until 2 a.m. The license number is 09970. Substantial change license is 25 SC 01350. Recommendation approval. And number 9, La Grata DC, one-day substantial change, holiday party, nature of substantial change, seeking to extend hours of operation beginning at 2 a.m. to 7 a.m. The license number is 126725. Substantial change license is 25 SC 01364. I therefore make a motion that the ABC board members vote to approve the recommendation that's put forth by the chair for the board's temporary and one-day substantial change docket. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. So let's now move to the alcohol licensing administrative docket for this Tuesday, December 23rd. There are 2 applications on this docket, and so without objection, I make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the alcohol license administrative docket for December 23rd, 2025. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. We'll now move to the medical cannabis license administrative docket. On this docket, there are 4 applications, and so without objection, I make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the medical cannabis license administrative docket for Tuesday, December 23rd, 2025. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. And let's now do our last licensing agenda for today. And this is the medical cannabis licensing agenda. On this agenda, there are 2 requests. I will review both names, and I will make a motion that the ABC board members vote to approve recommendations put forward by the chair. Number 1, review of request to add educational, tasting, and endorsement for retailer. It's Cookies DC, license number 131371. Recommendation approval. Number 2, review to request to add safe use treatment facility endorsement for retailer with delivery endorsement. This is Doobie District, license number 126751. Recommendation placard. I therefore make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve recommendations put forth by the chair on the medical cannabis licensing agenda. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. So we're now at the end of our agenda items for today. If there are no more business, I will move to adjourn for the day. As chairperson of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, in accordance with Title 3, Chapter 405, Office of Open Government, I move that ABC Board hold a closed meeting on January 7th for the purpose of discussing and hearing reports concerning ongoing or planned investigation of alleged criminal or civil misconduct or violations of law or regulations, and seeking legal advice from our legal counsel on the board's investigative agenda, licensing agenda for January 7th, as published in DC Register on January 2nd. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I
Mr.
second the
Meadows, I
motion.
second.
Mr. Grant and Mr. Meadows are second the motion. I'll now have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. As the motion has passed, I hereby give notice that ABC Board will hold this closed meeting pursuant to the Open Meetings Act. Notice will also be posted on ABC Board hearing room bulletin board, placed on electronic calendar, on ACTRA's website, and published in DC Register in as timely manner as practical. We're now adjourned for this day. I would like to thank all members of the ABC Board who have made themselves available to participate in this meeting today. Thank you very much. Have a great day. I now direct all board members to return to executive session for further action. Good morning.